Right now, we're looking at the switchboard for a live fish carrier under construction in Turkey. We completed the factory acceptance test recently and delivered the switchboard to the shipyard in July. What's left is the installation, commissioning and testing with the yard. On a live fish carrier, there's a lot of equipment in need of energy. The power produced from generators, shore charging and battery is mainly consumed by the 5 propellers and the fish handling system. While these Quadro Master DC switchboards are standard on board NES vessels, the solution for this vessel is unique because of the 3-split system tailored for increased redundancy and safety. This is enabled by Odin's Eye, which is a smart, ultra-fast busty breaker in a DC switchboard. We are looking forward to see this vessel in action.